very lovely and sweet day. So today we are at Canadian Tire and I'm gonna buy some drinking water. And Dia, what are you looking for?
I'm looking something for baking, so let's see what options are available in Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
Canadian Tire has lot of varieties for kitchen stuff as well. So when we will go inside, we will show you what varieties are available right now. So we will refill these bottles from Canadian Tire. We will show you.
We use it for drinking and cooking.
Yeah.
We don't use tap water for drinking and cooking. So this is the best water I found in the town. So let's go, I will show you.
First of all, we will
I'm gonna clean
sanitizing the handle.
Sanitize the handle. This is the baking section. We got a baking bowl plus dishes. Right?
Oh, we find it.
Are you looking for some of those?
Yeah, kind of like
Yeah,
that.
this
The
one?
KitchenAid kind of like that.
Okay.
This, I'm looking for this
But
kind
the
of.
size of the dish is pretty small, right?
Yeah, and
And how many
there's one set
pieces?
and it's 2/4.
Yeah.
It's small
Yeah.
and the price is
$28.
28.
So they have those cast iron cookware as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are a little bit expensive though.
Mhm.
And they have a variety of color. You see that? The blue, the oranges, this is the white. They have like a sharp blue as well. You see that? Very nice. Oh, are you looking for those things?
These are cast iron.
Oh, those. Oh, here you go.
Oh, I find out.
Are those ones?
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm looking for this one.
Oh, what a brilliant color.
Yeah, and it's 4-piece.
Yeah.
And the company is also good.
It's very good.
Lagostina.
Yeah, Lagostina.
And it's 5-year warranty as well. Oh wow.
I know this company is very good. It's very good brand.
5-year warranty, Lagostina, and the color red with red with white inside.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So one is
And it's presentable on the table as well.
correct. It's a 4-piece. It says stoneware baking set. The biggest one is 23 centimeters, I believe. 9 into 6 inch. And there's
No,
the
the biggest one 33 centimeter. Yeah,
okay.
13 inch into 9 inch.
So this is the biggest one. This is the medium, and these are the two smaller, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's why these are the sizes.
It's very good actually.
So it's oven safe,
500 degree.
500 degree, 260 centigrade.
Yeah. So it's good. It's good. I'm
And
not sure
there's
how much
5-year
are those.
warranty as well.
So,
So they are offering the price
ceramic,
$49.99,
Yeah.
50 bucks.
$50 right now.
Yeah,
Is it? No, are those?
yeah, Lagostina 4-piece. These are the.
It's okay. Do you wanna put in the cart right now or take a look more if they have it?
Oh,
Something
we
more?
will show our viewers.
No, I mean, do you wanna look into some more sets? Let's
Yeah.
put it this here. And in the meantime, we're gonna take a look if they have any other varieties, right? Otherwise, are you like it?
So they have in stock.
Yeah, they have a lot of.
So KB.
So we just looked at other varieties. So they don't have a much of varieties here, like maybe 3 or 4 types of thing. And I think so Dia like this set because
So we selected this one.
yeah, so 4 pieces with a reasonable price, right?
Mm.
So that's the reason, and plus it's a very brilliant and sharp color.
Mm.
So you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
So you want to buy this?
Yeah, I wanna buy this one
Okay.
because it's a 4-piece set,
Mm-hmm.
so it's good for me.
You can use small dishes, right?
Yeah.
Or small baking stuff, and
Mm.
this is for chicken or something else, right?
Mm-hmm. So
So,
we selected this one.
are you sure you want to buy that?
Yeah, yeah, I'm sure, pretty sure.
1, 2,
I'm pretty sure,
3.
KB.
Okay. Okay, done. Deal. So we're gonna buy, guys, this one, and we'll show you. We'll show you when we're gonna get home.
Yeah.
So what is actually inside and how they look like inside, and we'll show you the quality as well, right? So we bought it, this, guys. I'll see you at home.
Yahoo! Anything you are looking for something special?
Oh, maybe I need some tools, right? But
No,
next
KB.
visit.
I'm not interested in tools.
next visit, not today. So guys, water is out right now. They are trying to fix it. They don't have a solid date, but we'll try maybe come tomorrow, and we're gonna refill our bottles, right? So we bought that set. I love it. That Lagostina one, 4-piece, and we're gonna show you when we'll get home. So see you there.
See you.
Okay guys, so we are back at home. So as we told you in the credit tab, so we bought it this set. This is baking set with a pretty brilliant colors. Red outside, white inside. So we thought we're gonna share and reveal this set with you. Are you guys ready? Dia, are you ready as well?
Yeah, I'm ready
Right?
as well.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, okay. So let me take a look. Okay, so that is right.
Be
Oh,
careful.
I'm going on the other side, maybe. Yeah.
Be careful, KB.
Okay,
It's a new one.
that's new. Okay. Put that box away. Okay, here we go. Wow.
Wow, voila.
So those are the one that shows the smallest one, right?
Yeah.
These are the 2 dishes. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It says Lagostina here,
Oh,
right?
the brand name.
Yeah, brand name, and the bottom is beige color. There are marks, trademark, and white inside. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Right? Those both are the same size, right? See that? And you can oh, it's stackable as well, man.
Yeah.
You didn't pay attention over there, right? You see that?
It's stackable.
Whoa. It's very good. It's very good. Stackable. So those are the smaller baking pots. I'm gonna put here. Here we go. This is the medium one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, not bad size, pretty good, right? Reasonable size, right?
Mm-hmm.
They give us a kind of a manual as well inside. So you see that? So this is the medium size.
Yeah.
Same construction, same thing. Not bad. And And this is the biggest dish, I believe.
The biggest one.
Oh no. Okay. Here we go.
Oh wow.
Okay, let me put this away. See that?
It's a big dish.
I think that's the size you wanted, right?
Yeah.
The other one we were watching there.
We can use as a serving
Yeah.
dish as well.
Yeah, you see that?
Mm.
So I like the color. You see that?
Mm.
So brilliant and so sharp, right? So good. So the very good thing which I'm watching is stackable.
Yeah.
You can put inside
Yeah.
all the 4 parts, and it's not gonna take the more
Space.
room
Mm.
in your kitchen cabinet. It's gonna take the same room, whatever the biggest size of the dish is, right? Not more than that. So it's very good, right? I think so you love it.
I love it.
Wow, it's
So,
good, right?
in our future videos, the viewers can see
So you're gonna use
this set.
in the YouTube videos, right?
Yeah, in vlogs.
Yeah, it's vlog, so it's good.
Mm, mm.
So hopefully you guys like this set
Yeah.
as Dia like it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys wanted to see our shopping, please drop off the comments and we'll show you like how we do a shop and where we go, and we'll show you the prices as well, right,
Yeah.
Dia?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
And thank you very much watching our Enjoy Star Food channel. Keep watching. Please subscribe this channel, share with your family and friends, and the final word.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Bye bye.